Okay guys, I would want you to look closely on how we do this Ghana braiding, alright? Take a very close look at it. In this, because her hair is a virgin hair, her hair is so thick, we're not actually doing inner braiding now, okay? The braiding we're doing here is our normal Ghana weaving braiding to enable us cover her hair with the attachment very well. So you go ahead, watch the video, you will see how I'm covering her hair with attachments, okay? I believe you understand, but if you find it difficult or you're not understanding it, you can just give us a comment on the comment section. Then we can redo a video so that you understand what we're saying. But I believe that the video is well detailed. I believe you understand that here we're not doing inner braiding, but for those of you who don't know the one that is inner braiding and the one that is outer braiding, you can just let us know on the comment section. We will attend to you, alright? Okay guys, so you can go ahead and watch the video. Please make sure you like, you subscribe, and also comment. And also don't forget to share. We really appreciate you if you watch the video, you subscribe, then you share. Alright? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Enjoy your video, okay?